Have you ever felt like there's something holding you back from truly living your best life? Have you ever felt that no matter what you accomplish, you're constantly searching for something external to bring you peace and happiness? Imagine a journey into the depths of your own consciousness, where the treasures you unearth are the keys to unlocking your true potential. This is where shadow work comes into play. Shadow work is a profound and transformative journey into the depths of our psyche, a self-discovery process that can illuminate our personality's hidden corners. In this exploration, we will explore the concept of shadow work, including its definition, how to begin the process, and the complex range of emotions it may evoke. Let's start with the question, what is shadow work? At its core, shadow work is the courageous act of confronting and integrating the hidden aspects of ourselves. These aspects, often referred to as our shadow, encompass the parts of our personality that we repress, deny, or hide from both others and ourselves. These might include fears, insecurities, unresolved traumas, and even desires that we deem unacceptable. To engage in shadow work, one must first acknowledge the existence of these concealed elements. This is not about giving in to our darkest impulses. Instead, it's an opportunity to understand and make peace with these aspects. By shining a compassionate light on these hidden facets, we gain insight into our behaviors, reactions, and motivations, allowing us to make more conscious choices in our lives. Now let's head down the journey of self-discovery. Shadow work is not for the faint-hearted. It demands courage and vulnerability. It's a process of self-discovery where we confront the parts of ourselves that we'd prefer to ignore. This exploration can lead to moments of discomfort and resistance as we challenge long-held beliefs and patterns. The good of this is we get healing and transformation. Shadow work is a powerful catalyst for personal growth and healing. By acknowledging and integrating our shadows, we can release old wounds and traumas, leading to emotional and psychological healing. Self-acceptance is also another positive outcome. Through shadow work, we learn self-compassion and self-acceptance. We come to understand that our shadows are not inherently bad, but are natural parts of the human experience. This self-love can lead to increased self-esteem and inner peace. With shadow work, we also break free from limitations. Many of our self-limiting beliefs and patterns are rooted in our shadows. Shadow work empowers us to confront and break free from these limitations, allowing us to live more authentically. Healing, transformation, self-acceptance, and breaking free from limitations are all interconnected and contribute to our journey of self-awareness. Through shadow work, we learn to acknowledge and integrate our shadows, which can lead to healing and transformation. This process also helps us to accept ourselves and our flaws, leading to self-compassion and inner peace. Additionally, shadow work allows us to confront our self-limiting beliefs and patterns, breaking free from them to live more authentically. By engaging in this process, we become more self-aware of our strengths, weaknesses, and behaviors, leading to a greater understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. One of the challenges of shadow work is discomfort and resistance. Delving into our shadows can be emotionally challenging. It may unearth painful memories, fears, and anxieties, leading to moments of discomfort. However, it's within this discomfort that true transformation occurs. Time and dedication are another challenge, especially in our current time of instant gratification. Shadow work is not a one-time endeavor. It's a lifelong journey that requires dedication and ongoing self-reflection. It can be time-consuming and emotionally taxing. Navigating the unknown is also challenging. As we explore our shadows, we may encounter aspects of ourselves we didn't even know existed. This can be disorienting and challenging to navigate, but it is part of the journey that you have to take in order to free yourself. In conclusion, shadow work is a profound and intricate process of self-exploration and self-acceptance. It invites us to embrace our fears, desires, and hidden aspects with open arms, transforming them from sources of darkness into wellsprings of wisdom. The journey may be difficult at times, but the rewards, healing, self-acceptance, and the liberation to live authentically are immeasurable. If you found this video enlightening, Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Together, we can unlock the incredible potential of our minds and manifest our deepest desires. Thanks for joining us on this transformative journey. And until next time, keep manifesting your dreams.